Don't try and sit down on the edges.
Look at that! Woo! Dad, take your shoes off, Dad.
That's right, here I go.
Dad, take your shoes off.
Hey!
Take your boots off.
Huh? I got holes in my socks.
Never mind. Wear your boots.
Huh?
Keep mine. Here, let me get off.
Well, I don't feel like going through all that.
You're so little.
I got a test.
Come on now, do your best. You can do. Come on, get a running start at it.
I'm doing it. I'm sticking.
Jump really high.
Hey, that might be hard.
Jump high.
How do you do it? Get up and spin?
You can do it. You can do it.
I'm going to do it, man. I'm sticking.
Jump high. Get a good bounce to it.
Try face first this time. Alright, leave him up there. Do the plate today.
Wait, don't move. You gonna take a picture?
No, I recorded the whole thing.
I can take pictures off the video.